I was quite shocked when I was diagnosed. I thought I was going to die. It was almost 18 years ago. I don't know very much about HIV. And that time I was with my partner. And he panicked as well. And then he tried to do a test straight away. And the following day, he went for a test and he was fine. I was the only one, unluckily. I did have a lot of support. They sent me to a group to receive more information and some help. But I do remember something the nurse said to me was for me to be careful who I'm telling to. If I want to open, for me to be really careful because whatever I say is never comes back to me. So I was a little bit like apprehensive. After a few days or few weeks, when there was a little bit settled, I had a dinner party with my best mates. And just before, it was quite funny actually, just before we sat down for tea, I raised my glass and I say, guys, I just want to tell in the news that I have been diagnosed with HIV. Everyone was like crying. One of my mates, he collapsed on the table, he fainted. So I did realize what the nurse said to me was true. Be careful who you tell. So for me, it was a little bit like step back. So since then, I decided to close it. I was extremely surprised. I was quite shocked. I never opened to my family. Just recently, I opened to work. But just because it's been so long, I'm not going to die. It was a point for me to stop and realize, Paulo, let's do better. My life changed completely, like in a health way, eating better, doing better things for myself. I start living better, to be honest. I take tablets. I cannot pass to anyone. I'm covered. I love my life. I love traveling. I always spend my money traveling. Also, I love gardening. I love cooking. You need to believe in yourself. It is important to share. It's important to be able to open and give a little bit. It's not the end of the world. It's the beginning of the world. It's the beginning of a new life.